My name is Aaron Cairo, and I'm a professional skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. Today, I'm going to teach you how to Biebelheimer. I'm not quite sure where the name for this trick originated, but I would assume that it has something to do with Brandon Biebel. I mean, he's super rad and has really great style, so for him to do something like this would just be really sick. This is actually quite a hard trick. It seems pretty easy and it's just like this very random thing that you do to slam your board down upside down, but it's actually a lot harder than it looks. So first things first, just practice it like this. Just hold your board with your front hand and just practice throwing it down on the ground. I found the harder that I threw it, the easier it would flip over, but sometimes it just kind of like deads itself just like that and doesn't flip over and just stays or lands primo or whatever. And you also want it to flip in the direction like a kick flip would, like flipping away from your feet, because you want to jump your feet on there like that. If it flips in the other direction, it doesn't really work out, so you want it to flip in that direction. This takes quite a bit of practice of just standing still, pushing your board down. Now this is not like your average trick. This is not a trick that a lot of people would do or even know about really, but it's kind of a rad thing and just a way to start. So here's kind of the breakdown. You step forward with your back foot and then toss your board down, and then you're going to put your front foot on. So that's kind of the sequence between like which foot goes where and what hand is doing what in terms of the motion there. So again, the best way to practice this trick is just practice standing still and tossing your board on the ground and getting it to flip over. A lot of it kind of has to do with luck, because you have to get the board to flip very exactly, and as soon as it does just pop over, then you can just kind of jump on it real fast. So just hold your hands on the board like this with your fingers spread out like that. That gives you a nice extra like whoosh, swoosh with your fingers right at the end. I find you kind of like start pushing it slow, and then right at the end you slam it down quite hard, and that's what makes it hit the ground and bounce over, and then you just jump on and roll away. So yeah, this trick is kind of funny. You guys might be like, why is he making a tutorial for this trick? But I think it's pretty rad. Like, you can start out a line in a video part like this and it would look really cool. So let's check out this little frame by frame action. So as I said before, that's my back foot. My left foot steps forward and kind of plants down as I plant my tail of my board on the ground, and then throw it, like really put a lot of force and throw the board on the ground like that, and then it will just hit the ground, pop right over, and that's where you can jump on it with your front foot. Sometimes you can jump on it sooner rather than later, and sometimes you'll even like land primo and fall over or whatnot. Like I said, it's a bit of a luck thing, because you're not going to get the board to flip exactly like that every time, unless you're like an incredible, amazing skater like, well, Brandon Biebel. Please get the Skateboarding Made Simple volumes. They're available on iTunes, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and on Google Play. They will help you learn to skate fast. They are very long and very exact and very detailed, and they do give you the exact step-by-step instructions. So definitely check them out. Please subscribe, follow us on these other social media platforms, and then check out these other playlists. We got tons of videos that teach you how to skate, tons of videos where I learned tricks, and I make those videos to hopefully give you guys an idea of how you can learn tricks. So it's all about learning to skate.